Hello guys, in this video I will talk to you about selling music online with Shopify. This is a step-by-step guide. Well, I need to talk to you something really important. Shopify is going to end their 3-month trial and replace it with 1-month trial. I was advanced you all to take advantage of this free account and get that extra 60 to 90 days. This wasn't just my information. I have a contact at Shopify who informed me about this early on. They knew I had a YouTube channel, so they thought I would be let the world know in advance. I can reveal their identity for obvious reasons, as I don't want them to get in trouble at Shopify. Some of you found out this from my video and took action to create an account before the change. Now the change is here, so you can get that 3 months free anymore. However, you still have the option to pay one for a 3-day trial or pay one for a month, and then normal monthly fee. If you have signaled up to the right time, as per my video, you will have saved about $80. It's not a huge amount, but it's a little help. If you are still interested in joining Shopify, I will leave you a link in the description where you can join for $1 for a month after you treat the free trial. Now the offer is to sign for a free trial and enjoy your first month for just $1. This is different from the early offer of a 2 weeks free trial followed with by one for 3 months. Things change, but I want to remind you that when I put out message about the coming change, I'm serious. This is another example of why it's important not to procrastinate. Anyway, let's continue with the video. And basically, let's continue. For example, the first step is click here in this link, take like 3 or 4 minutes, and we are here. We need to put here our email address. It's really important. When our Shopify are created, we are here. And basically, we have the first part, and that's it, open our store in Shopify. We need to do the music and prepare for selling. For that, we're going to use this web. The name is Single Music. And we need to create account. For that, we go to here, start for free. We click on it. Wait like 3 or 4 seconds more or less. This depends on your internet. Here we need to install Single Video Music in Shopify. We click on here. We put our store and press install. And when the app is ready, we are here basically in Shopify again. We click here in install. We'd wait like 4 or 5 seconds more or less. And we have here in Single login. When you see this, it's basically for put your email, and your password if you have account. If you don't have account, you press here in sign up and post your email and your password. Remember, always use a good password, not 1, 2, 3, and 4. And here we need to put, for example, if we are a brand, a comedy, a creator, educator, freelance, cooking, influencer, lifestyle, music, photographer, podcasts, video, or with 3. For example, in our style, because it's a music store, it's basically music. Continue. Self music digital or physical, report self-FTR token gate to access the content reports in my store. Use videos in my store, live stream, resell sales, some video on demand, create a membership program, and other perks. For example, here we need to select, for example, in my case, it's digital or physical. I put here and one single song. For example, you can put something here from, I don't know, you put Shopify App Store research or advertising, maybe. It's that depends on you, basically. For example, so sure, no thanks. I would say start them on my own. And basically that is when I am getting a starter. Kickstarter, your setup process with free. Let's onboard support. A member from our team will reach out to walk you throughout the app if you're interested. I put that stance. I will get started on my own. In your case, I'm not your guide. Here we have a lot of options. We need to know that options. For example, home, analytics, video, music, memberships, and because we can upgrade the plan. We use the plan free, but they have other options. For example, digital collections, settings, health, write-offs. It's that depend on you if you want write off the applications. Here you put install the app, try Shopify. We have two of them. Well, we need to do the music, for example. We manage a bulk load or upgrade. We need to how to create a digital release, what are the different publish options, and that's it. For example, here, create your first digital release, sell your blah 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 blah. For example, here, plus we have the options. We say us basically how to do the music, how to create blah 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 blah. But here we are. You click on here and pick a plan to get the start, and we have a starter, bronze, silver, and gold. For example, in this tutorial, we use a starter because it's free, basically. Confirm plan, and here, basically, that's it. Bill is error incomplete, need to learn more, not a proof of change, blah, blah, blah. For that, we need basically have the store open or add our credit card or PayPal, and that's it. Basically, we have the first part. I will not to do this due to time constraints, but well, it's basically that. For example, if I want to sell a product, we only need to do this basically. Go to products, collections, create a collections, or for example, directory in inventory. We need to put products with add a product. For example, here we put music, the name of the music, a description. In media, we put the music or other things, for example, or what a preview of the music. Here, multiple locations, single music. For example, here the quantity of the music, the weight, the size of colors, but we don't do this basically because it's a digital product. When you make and upload the music, basically it will be automatically placed here. You just need to modify the store and there will be all. Oh yes, another thing. For example, here, if you put music and click in generate, basically this creates a description for you. It's really important, believe me. For example, if you put a music, you only need to put the prompt of how about it's your music. And that's it. You can have a professional description with this. In the channel, we have a lot of tutorials. You can see it after this video. And that's it. Thanks for watching and enjoy it. And subscribe, obviously.